Dr. Kellie Emrich here, and welcome to the Social Prof podcast. Today, I will provide a high-level overview of social media marketing. Let's get started. Social media marketing today is, well, it's not optional anymore. If your business isn't active, engaged, and visible on platforms like Facebook or Instagram, you're basically handing over a huge opportunity to your competitors. Customers are spending so much time online now, and they're interacting with brands for, knowledge, entertainment, and making buying decisions. And if you're not there, they won't wait for you. They'll turn to someone who is. But here's the thing, it's not just about showing up and promoting your stuff left and right. No, the whole power of social media lies in building trust and fostering genuine relationships. This is where the 80-20 principle comes into play. 80% of your social media content needs to focus on providing value. Things like educational tips, entertaining posts, or solving problems your audience cares about. And only 20% should be about your business and promoting your business. That balance is so crucial to staying relevant and customer focused. It kind of, makes your brand feel more human. Now, let me share a quick story to show you how this works in real life. There's this little bakery, just a local family owned spot, who decided to focus their efforts on Instagram. They didn't just use it to post pictures of their pastries, though, I'll admit their croissants looked downright heavenly. No, they went deeper. They shared behind the scenes videos of their team baking. They highlighted their customers' stories, and they even started a fun hashtag where people could share their creative ways of enjoying their treats. Through this approach, they didn't just drive more sales, they built an entire community. People started feeling like they weren't just buying baked goods, they were part of something more. That's the magic of using social media the right way, creating authentic connections. Social media isn't a one size fits all kind of space, right? It's as diverse as the people and businesses using it. So understanding the different types of platforms out there and what they're good at, that's key for marketers. Let's take social networks, for example. This category includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. They let us share photos, videos, even live streams, but their core strength is connection. You can build your brand's personality, reach new audiences, and interact directly with customers. I mean, think about how Instagram shops make it seamless to browse products and with just a tap, buy them without ever leaving the app. That's convenience personified. Then we've got discussion forums like Reddit, Quora, or even Discord. These are places where people go to share ideas, ask questions, or dive deep into topics they care about. Smart marketers don't just promote here, they contribute. Sharing genuine expertise, answering questions, or engaging in discussions builds credibility. For example, a tech company might use Reddit to address user pain points. And Discord, well, it's evolved into this great tool for community building, complete with live chats and multimedia sharing. It's not just about selling a product here, it's about creating a knowledge sharing space. And then there are content curation networks like Pinterest or Medium. Pinterest is perfect for visual storytelling, right? Businesses can use it to showcase recipes, DIY ideas, or travel destinations, all leading back to their website, while Medium leans more on, thoughtful articles and storytelling. A great example is Airbnb. They've mastered storytelling on Medium to humanize their brand. But that's not all. They also leverage Yelp to showcase user-generated content like reviews, photos, and even videos. By doing this, they're not just promoting themselves, they're amplifying the voices of their customers to build trust and authenticity. These platforms aren't interchangeable, each has its own role to play. And if you want to create a strategy that truly works, aligning your goals with these platforms' strengths, that's where the magic happens. I suggest not getting overwhelmed, rather pick one platform, maybe two, and use it to the best of your ability. This is a better strategy than diving into a ton of different platforms and not doing any one of them well. If the members of Facebook was a country, it would be the largest country in the world. Start there if you have little knowledge of social media platforms. You can also do research to see where your target audience is. Head over to my website, www.thesocialprof.com, where I go over the user behaviors of the top platforms to help make the decision. Now, you do have to know about your audience first. When we talk about effective social media marketing, it's critical to remember that a solid strategy starts with a really deep understanding of your audience. I mean, it's not just about knowing their age or location, it's about understanding their behaviors, their challenges, even their aspirations. There's no shortcut here. You've got to put in the work to learn what your audience genuinely cares about and how they interact with different platforms. And once you've got that insight, leverage it. Platforms like TikTok have their own unique vibe with trends and short form videos, while Instagram thrives on aesthetics and storytelling. Kind of like crafting a tailor suit, you need a strategy that fits each platform perfectly. Then there's content. Now, I can't stress this enough. Focus on creating content that provides real value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or helping solve a problem. Meaningful content builds trust. Quality always beats quantity. And consistency is key here too. Like this nonprofit I worked with once, they used LinkedIn to share short success stories about their clients every week, just handwritten thank you notes or photos. And over time, this developed into a loyal following and even attracted sponsors. Consistency and authenticity paid off big time. Now let's shift gears to paid social media marketing. Paid strategies are not just about throwing money at ads. They're precise, methodical, and data driven. You should absolutely leverage advanced tools to measure results effectively and make tweaks in real time. I mean, imagine running a campaign where you can adapt instantly if the click-through rates aren't where they should be. It's empowering, right? And don't forget, targeting, AI-powered targeting is a game changer. You can reach people based on their behaviors, preferences, and even their real-time activities. It's like your ads become magnets for the right audience. But remember this, don't put all your eggs in one format. Test everything. Try video ads, carousel posts, even those interactive polls that get people to engage. I remember a fitness brand I consulted. They saw a 35% boost in signups when they diversified their ad formats to include live prototypes of their workouts. And this only happened after some strategic experimentation. The lesson? Flexibility and adaptation are what keep your campaigns effective. And finally, let's talk about social listening. This is one of my favorite tools because honestly, it's like having superpowers. Listen to what your audience is saying, not just about your brand, but about their needs, about what's trending. That's where the insights live. I once worked with a nonprofit that used Facebook comments to refine their fundraising campaign. They noticed a lot of people asking for transparency about where donations were going, so they created a series of posts breaking that down. Their response rate shot through the roof, and donations, they doubled. Listening goes a long, long way. So whether it's organic or paid, the core of any social media strategy is understanding, engaging, and being adaptable. Always keep your goals clear, use the tools available intelligently, and above all, prioritize the needs of your audience. And on that note, we'll wrap it up here. Thanks for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure sharing these strategies with you. Until next time, remember to stay curious, keep learning, and explore those social media platforms with purpose. Thank you for listening, and be sure to follow the Social Prof of Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.